Hello, this is Sal. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to implement inter-VLAN routing, including configuring IP addresses, VLANs, trunking, and sub-interfaces. The idea is we have here three PCs in different subnets, different VLANs, how to make them able to communicate with each other. This link connecting the switch with the router, how to make these network devices share or reach this resource or this target here, this server. Our PC in VLAN theory can reach it the same for a PC in VLAN 20 to go over this trunk over through the network or through the internet to reach these resources. Here, first I will configure assigning IP addresses sub interfaces here on router 1, and I put them here. As you can see, for VLAN 10 the sub interface of gig 01.10 for VLAN 10 and with this IP address, and the same for VLAN 20, 30, 50, which is the native VLAN, and VLAN 99. And then here on the switch I will configure these VLANs, VLAN 10 for users, and the ports from Fast Ethernet 06 to 10. This is to assign them as access, the switch port access, these ports as access for VLAN 10, and for VLAN 20 from Fast Ethernet 011 to 17, and VLAN 30 from Fast Ethernet 018 to 24, VLAN 50, which is the native VLAN, which is the configuring in the port here between the switch and the router, and VLAN 99 is the management VLAN, which is in control over all the VLANs. And for VLAN 99 I'll assign this IP address on the switch, and the default gateway for the VLAN will be the sub-interface. I will configure it on the router with this IP address as a gateway for VLAN 99. And then we will test what we did, or what we will gonna be doing, that from a PC 1, how to reach or to ping the Cisco server here, and the same from switch 2, PC 2 and PC 3. So let's start with assigning these IP addresses for the sub interfaces. Enable configure terminal interface gig 01.10 for VLAN 10, encapsulation .1q for VLAN 10, IP address of 172.16.10.1 with /24 subnet mask. Sorry about that. .0, and for VLAN 20 gig 01.20, the subinterface encapsulation .1q for VLAN 20, IP address of 172.16.20.1 255. This is for VLAN 20, and the subinterface for VLAN 30 encapsulation .1q 30, IP address of 172.16.30.1 /24 subnet mask, and Inter-VLAN for 50, which is the native VLAN, encapsulation, .1q 50, and this is the native VLAN, VLAN 50, IP address of 172.16.50.1 /24 subnet mask, and now VLAN 99 encapsulation .1q for VLAN 99, IP address of 172.16.99.1 /24 subnet mask. Now on the switch, we want to configure these VLANs on the switch. Enable configure terminal VLAN 10 sorry, VLAN 10. Name users, VLAN 20. Name admins, VLAN 30. Name guests, VLAN 50. Name native, and finally VLAN 99, and this is the management VLAN. Now for VLAN 99, we'll assign this IP address. Enter VLAN 99, IP address of 172.16.99.10, and with the /24 subnet mask. And the default gateway for VLAN 99 will be 172.16.99.1, which the sub interface on the router here. Now for on the switch, we want to configure, as I said, the port, the path Ethernet is 06 to 10 for VLAN 10. Interface range from path Ethernet 0, 6 to 10. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 10. And the range of 11 to 17. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 20. And the range between 18 to 24. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 30. Exit here, and the interface between the switch and the router as a trunk in VLAN 50, the native VLAN. Interface gig 0, 1. Switch port mode trunk. Switch port trunk native VLAN 50. Exit here, and I will open it. Sorry about that. Open the port gig 0, 1, no shut, and the same on the router. Exit. Interface gig 0, 1, no shut. Now we will still connecting, still orange, the color here. So let's try from PC 1 in VLAN 10, see if we can ping its default gateway. Ping 172.16.10.1. Yes, we can. Can it ping the PC on VLAN 20, 172.16.20.20? Sorry, .20.10. Sorry about that. 20.10. Yes, it can. And let's see if it can ping the PCC 30.10. Yes, it can. Can PC2 access the web server? go here, open the web server, and it's the IP address of 8.8.8. Yes, it can PC3 ping the server, ping 8.8.8.8. Yes, it can. As you can see, things are really easy. Just follow the rules and things will go, smoothly. It's all, the devices, the network devices, it's not what you think that they will do, as a good instructor usually used to say. It is what you tell them to do. So every time when you do anything, any configuration on your network devices, just double check and see if you did things according to your plan, because plan the work and then work the plan and check as you go. I hope you learned a tip or two from this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and share the video and give me the thumb up, and I'll see you soon in my next video, and wishing you all a nice day. Thank you so much.